Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I'm Kinjal Sonchhatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 7th tutorial of chapter 14th Statistics in standard 9. So today's topic is it's exercise 14.2 and in that first question, so the blood groups of 30 students of class 10th are recorded as follows. So there are 30 records, right? So represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table. Which is most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students? So go to the session and the question which we have already known, and in that we have to do frequency distribution table, right? So the answer is frequency is the number of students having the same blood group, right? And the frequency is represented in the table or the frequency distribution table, right? So I have done here single table and there are two columns. First column is blood group and second one is number of student, and that is called frequency also, right? The most common blood group. So first of all what you do, so there are four types: A, B, O and AB, right? Now count the number. So how many A are there, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Got it? So I have written here 9. Now B. So how many times are there B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So same as O and same as AB. So there are 12 O and 3 times AB. Total 30. Total 30. Now highest number is 12, and for which blood group? It is O, and rarest it is 3 and the blood group is AB. So I have written here the most common blood group is the blood group which highest frequency, it is O, right? And the rarest blood group is the blood group which lowest frequency, which is AB. Got it? Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye.